Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me and see me and the screen? Oh, let's see if I'm live. 21 people watching. That's nice to see. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We are already nearing 7.5K. It's a good thing to see. So, yeah, before we begin, why this new live stream series, right? It is not going to be a series. It's probably one or at max two videos or two set of live streams. The event management live stream still continues, probably for an episode or two more, eight, nine. But yeah, it took shape. I'm going to give a talk on this at Frappeverse, which is happening on 11th and 12th September in Mumbai. So if you see, we have like part two, three, four, five. We built a complete app, right, with all the use cases and everything, modeling, writing the JS side, the Python side, even writing a unit test. So do check that out. I'm still worried nobody's confirming in the chat. So let's
Writing a
just
unit test.
check from here. Yeah, nobody has put anything in the chat. That is fine. Cool. So what is the plan? The plan is to start building. Actually, I won't be building everything live. We'll just start and figure out how to do things. Okay. And then the rest of it will be built offline. Okay. Okay. So let me pull up docs for this. Let's jump to phase one. So what's the problem? We run ads and receive inquiries across multiple platforms, including. So what is Frappe CRM? Frappe CRM is the simple and 100% open source CRM built on top of Frappe framework. And you can see it's nicely built, it's customizable, and it has some integrations out of the box. So for example, Twilio and Exoteller, their WhatsApp integration is there along with Frappe WhatsApp app. And ERP Next also can be integrated for creating a quotation, etc. Cool. Yeah, you can read more about it here, or you can go to frappe.io/CRM. Okay, you can read more about it. There are many other pages. So how you can leverage the desk features, right? The calls. We even did a live stream for this, the launch of this. So enough with the past. Let's jump back to the doc again. Yeah. So this is like the user stories of what the user wants from this. We run ads and receive including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and WhatsApp. Some of this platform provide lead forms. So this may be okay. You like the video of a product which they are selling, and then you fill a form. Okay, we are interested. Kind of like that. But today, all those leads stay on the platform unless we manually download or copy them into our CRM. Yes, because Frappe CRM doesn't have any lead syncing built in. Okay. This delay This delays follow-ups. Mm, just in time. This delays follow-ups, increases the chances of missing leads, and makes the process messy. What do I want to happen? As a sales admin, I want to connect our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and or so this can be or as well accounts to Frappe CRM. So that whenever someone submits a lead form or messages us with interest, a new lead is created automatically in the CRM with their contact details and source, and it is assigned to a salesperson right away. So assignment, I think, automatically happens using the assignment rule. We don't have to worry about that. We just have to create the lead. What should this? I can securely link. So this will be the first piece. Let's write it down. First piece is connecting the account. Connecting. So today, I think we'll do one of them, probably trying to get at least a lead synced, right? Connecting my account. That's the first piece. Social media account. This won't be like a normal social media account, right? Business account or something like that. Okay. That will be the first step. And I can view all available lead forms and choose which one to sync. Okay. Even I don't have any idea about how this lead forms look like. So we'll have to do some test data setup as well. And second is fetch lead forms created on that SM platform. Okay. That would be the second step. What's next? I can map the form fields to CRM fields. Okay. So this will be kind of part of this where you are map. So this is similar to data import where you upload a CSV file and then you will be able to map your columns between um, the column names in CSV and the column name in Frappe CRM. Map columns. Okay. What's next? Okay. Whenever submits a lead form, now this is on that side of the gate or that side of the integration. A lead is created with the so whenever someone submits a lead form, whether in Instagram or LinkedIn or somewhere, a lead is automatically created with some data, right? Okay, who created the lead, contact, etc. And for WhatsApp, if someone sends a hi, I'm interested and is not in the CRM, new lead is created with their number and message. If there already exists, the message is logged under their timeline, which is the usual WhatsApp integration. Leads are also auto assigned using assignment rules that automatically happens. That's not our scope. Duplicate leads are avoided based on email or phone number. Yeah, that can be done. If anything breaks, like token expiry, I get notified to fix. Okay. So connecting an account and making sure credentials credentials are up to date. Notify if otherwise. Notify user. Cool. So yeah, this is goes to this, and then once they select a form, they will be able to map columns fields. Okay. Hmm. So let's start by installing CRM. Bench get app CRM. I'll also get Frappe WhatsApp by Sridhar. Sridhar is a friend of mine. So let me just copy this piece. Okay. We'll wait for CRM to install. Parapa, parapa. Hi, Mohammed. MP. Hi, Dhruv Kumar. Hi, Mid Tank. Hey, Venkatesh. Salim says confirmed. Confirmed as in what? What? What confirmed? Okay, so CRM is now in the bench. Let's do bench get app. Okay, now we have both the apps, bench, new site, CRM dot local host, install app, wrap a WhatsApp. Yeah, okay. We're doing everything from scratch. In the meantime, let's see which social media platform we can pick up because there are one, two, three, four. Out of this, three are one company, Meta, uh, and LinkedIn is the other. So LinkedIn, developers. Okay. How easy it is to get their credentials is what I want. Uh, App name, app CRM. LinkedIn page. For third-party enterprise developers, the LinkedIn company you select will be associated with your verification can be done by a page. And please note that this cannot be a member profile page. For individual developers, API products, when you have a default company page associated, you must select that default company page to proceed. Ah, let's pick up not in use company page that I have. Cinnamon Labs. Nope. Let me search for it then. Cinnamon Labs. View as a member. Copy the link. Privacy policy URL. We don't have any. App logo. YouTube logo. Why do I have? I might have Frappe framework logo that we can use. When you develop on our platform, you are agreeing to be bound by our terms and conditions. Do I have any other choice? So products. Lead sync API. Interesting. Capture quality leads on LinkedIn. Ah, maybe I'll have to get some access. Settings page. Let's verify. Okay, when a page verifies, this also enables with this. Once verification, it cannot be on. Please send the verification or similar. This will be able to complete the process by approving the association. Your name is okay. Generate URL. What is this? Verify. Okay, as easy as that. What? Yeah, it's verified. Now let's go to products. We'll have to request access. Let's view the docs for now. The marketing version has been surrendered. We recommend you migrate to the latest version APIs. Ah, yeah, July 2025. Integrations, development, advertising, lead sync, overview. The lead sync API makes it easy for your customers to automatically collect and sync leads to your platform, saving them time and enabling them to act on them real time. The new platform API provides access to leads for all marketing use cases, including ads and events, as well as the capability to map custom field names to your CRM. Okay, I think that might solve half of the problem. Okay, API product is this and this is that. Okay, versioning. LinkedIn's marketing API program supports versioning so API partners can release changes over time. This document explains how to use this one. List of FAQs, that is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Getting access. API makes it easy for a support use case, reporting leads. Let's ask for the permission request. Your request is to access. You will need to fill an access request over your organization applicant's use case. Okay, take my address. This is too much. Is there no test mode in here? But there is AI. Okay. Yeah, we do have client secret in this. So I think we can start doing the connection piece of it at least. Let's see what meta developers, meta for developers. So whoever gives easy access to the test credentials is good. I have some page. Why didn't it log me out? It's too old. App name. Frappe CRM. Use cases. Okay. Hmm. I don't get it. What's happening here? Let's try without the use case. Fine, let's go to the dashboard. I think this same, okay, I don't even remember my password. Would probably be wrong. Did it work? What? Okay, let's add use cases. Publish content about the use case, add data. Hi, NHFX. Other, save. Yes. Old experience, new experience. Let me just access it. I'm still on the phase of deciding whether I should go with. Hmm. Okay. Messenger marketing API. Okay, this might be something we want. Read the docs. The marketing API is a collection of graph API endpoints and other features that can be used to help you advertise across meta technologies. Before advertising on this, we recommend you learn about ad campaign structure. Conversions API, there's this. Can I search for lead? Okay. This is exactly, I think, what we are looking for, where webhooks sends the lead to a CRM. Capture leads in Facebook ads. Lead ads provide people with a quick and privacy safe way to sign up to receive information from your business. Lead ads make forms simple for people and more memorable for business. Set up a lead ad where prospective customers can sign up for what you're offering and will get accurate contact information to follow up. The form is mobile friendly, etc. Fine. Oh, the Instagram will work as is. Fine. The leads generated via that still belong to a Facebook page. Okay. Can be third-party apps such as website, mobile, or this enables the marketing API to integrate with Facebook. Test app. Quickly create staging and Q&A purposes. Steps have their own app ID. Independent settings are helpful for pre-production. App review. To retrieve lead data, you must undergo app review. You must include the leads retrieval permissions on your submission. Submitting for review guide. After approval, you'll be asked to complete this. Okay. All apps that access Facebook need an access token. No? Limitations. You will not be able to if your app is in development mode. For testing purposes, users can access lead submission of someone with a role in that same app. Hmm. Marketing API is big. CRM integration. Okay, this might be something. Meta webhooks or lead ads for CRM. This guide shows you how to implement meta webhooks for this, that. An app user will log in to your app using Facebook, grant your app that permission needed for their Facebook page that is subscribed to Meta webhook for leads. So one thing is clear, if we want to do Facebook integration, they need to have a page. So they will select a page as well. Okay, for this page, I want to capture the leads. You will need a app ID, which we already have, a page access token from a app user, client, or advertiser who can perform advertise task on the page. Okay. The following permissions. Web server. So let's do for Meta. And if we can't go a long way, we'll try a subscription to the lead gen webhook. Yeah, so they're doing webhooks. That is fine then. Okay. Webhooks for okay. Let's copy this link, paste it in our notes. Okay. How does it look like? You can subscribe to page and get notified if I am a change. Pages, leads, and got okay. These are like okay. You have a page and you are running your ads, and you get okay. Got it. And there is the form ID. Hmm. I think this is how they recommend uh, the leads. Okay, let's start. Did we install CRM? Okay. Module import failed for WhatsApp template. The doctor you're trying to import might be deleted. Failed to find lib magic. Oh no. Roll back. Oh no. What is happening? It's not recent history. Let me turn on the fan. It's too hot. Okay, I'm back. Maybe. Okay. Does the site CRM? Okay, news site is the site CRM. Oh no. Hello, Naman. Come on. Let's just hope we get something. Okay, let's set up the marketing API in the meantime. And okay, bench dash site, crm.localhost, install app CRM. Let's restart the bench. Richa says, hi, did you try this before or this is the first time? This is the first time. That is the format of my live streams, right? I don't prepare for them. I just, okay, decide in the morning that I want to do this today and why not live? Okay, so now we have Frappe CRM here, but we won't be working on this area of the thing. We will be using the development server code app slash. It would be much smoother if I had done it before. My job. Beyond dev, and we go to 8080. Yep, something is not working as expected. Read config.js. Okay, CSRF token error because in development build there is no CSRF token attached. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to go into the sites crm.localhost site config and disable CSRFs. What was it called? CSRF. Oh, okay. I think it might be in the POS starter is not here. Okay, no worries. Drop the POS starter. Ignore CSRF one. Neeraj says, which OS are you using? This is Mac. So we'll ignore the CSRF and refresh. Expectation failed. Get context for development. Huh. What is the context? This method is only meant for developer mode. Okay, I didn't turn on developer mode. Bench does that site crm.localhost set config developer one. We'll start the bench. Hopefully this time it will work. Yes. So now we have the development side of this. So I can go into, let's say, sidebar and change anything, right? Let's change something, something, something. And we should see that here, right? So this is hot reload in place. Okay, now we can work in the UI side of things and also the desk, where is crm dot localhost, that will be at 8000 slash app. Okay, we are ready to go now. So there is one framework feature, less known, okay, which is called connected app. Connected app. So, like, we don't have to develop an OAuth integration from scratch. Okay. Link your Facebook account, link your Google account. This all abstract, this has been abstracted away in a doc type called connected app. Okay. to allow your Frappe instance to access other web services on your behalf. This is exactly what we want. This example shows how to connect Frappe, but you can use any service supporting OAuth 2, right? In this case, this will be the Meta uh, Facebook thing. Okay. So let's see. What is it? Tanvir says, what are you building? We're building an integration of social media lead forms into CRM. See, welcome to Marketing API. That's fine. We're in development mode, that is fine. Read the docs and we'll go into getting started. Use cases. Admin developer tester. Okay. But I want authentication. Yes, see, OAuth. So this also, Facebook also uses OAuth. Dhruv Kumar says just go some slow. So I'm very slow right now. We haven't started building even. We are just exploring how can we go about doing it right. My thought process behind it. Hmm. So one thing is clear, without proper test account setup, this ain't going to work. Again, back to docs. Facebook login use case. This shows you how to create and I said with Facebook login use case. This says you have read and implemented requirements for this is that. Okay, so let's figure that out. I've already created an app, selected authenticate and request data from users with Facebook login. Okay, that is fine. Person's email address, we'll need it. Go back, up one in upper right case, use cases and add more use cases to your app. Okay, let's do one thing. Where is use cases? Add product, login. Yes. Yes, standard. Let's see. Python. Sandbox ad account. Okay. Indian rupees. Select my own page. Create. Are you doing is every day? Not every day, but ad hoc. I don't have any plan. So it happens on Saturday every week at least. Sandbox add account and then generate access token. Generate for your permission to take specific action on your this and that. You'll change when you generate a token. I'll have to blur my screen for now. Okay, I have saved that access token somewhere. Mm. There's the Ads API, etc., etc. Create campaign, view more examples. Lead. Access token, app secret, app ID, this Facebook business. This is the Python library that we'll have to use. Okay. Currently, if you notice, I'm not just directly jumping to coding, I'm just doing some research. Cool. That is that. What I'm needing right now is some OAuth credentials. We'll find it in settings. Yeah, just app ID is enough. Okay. Public profile permission is enabled. Does not require automatically granted to all apps using Facebook login. Okay. Enable JavaScript SDK. Set up Facebook login card. Select settings in the left hand. Client OAuth settings. Validate OAuth. Okay. Got it. I think we'll have to go here. Add product login. Yeah. App ID is there, but there has to be a pair of it, right? Because if I go to crm.localhost 8000 slash app, it's a tedious thing to do. Connected app. See, we need a provider name, scopes, endpoints. There are no, so what if I try this? This is also not something I would want. Okay, wait, someone has asked me. Well-known URL for configuration. Okay. This is what I was looking for. And we go back to the connected app, get OpenID configuration. Please check OpenID configuration URL. Let's try it ourselves. See, it's correct. So issuer is facebook.com, authorization endpoint is dialog slash auth. This is this. ID token, ID token. Pairwise RSA claim supported. This will give us all the details of. Okay, there is a bug with it or what? Okay. Let's see. If it is a bug, we'll fix it. Network get OpenID configuration. Okay, it fails. Mm, Status code is 200. Okay. So what happens on this button click? Let's open a framework and check. Code app slash Frappe. Get OpenID configuration. Get open ID. Yes, this. If not OpenID configuration, please enter OpenID configuration URL. Response. Okay, it directly makes a fetch call to that thing. Okay, let's try it ourselves. Fetch dot then d d dot JSON dot then console dot log. Okay. Failed to fetch. Okay, from origin has been blocked by course policy. Allow origin header is present on the requested resource. Field with 200. Okay, that's what bugging me. Why would you then return a 200 if it is failed? Is the issue. Because it works without that. I just made a request to this and it worked. So it should have worked here as well. Okay, wait. Okay, what if I do it from a production site? Still the same. There is an issue with the connected app itself. Let's copy this line. Copy the whole console. No, I just want to copy this line. Yeah, it won't work. So what it should actually do is go in the backend, make a request, and come here. Let's see. Connected app dot py. Then we'll say get backend app token, get this, get that. That is fine. Initiate application flow, validate. So whatever is happening in the front end should happen on the back end. Get open ID configuration. But this can't be inside this because what if it's a new doc and it may be the case. So we will do this. So Dhruv Kumar says enable course extension in browser. So this error gets resolved. Wait, is it true? Hmm. Strict origin when pro solid. Course extension. Let's try what Dhruv Kumar is suggesting. It's reloading the wrong thing. Nope, doesn't work. Or we can do one thing. If we just for the purpose of this live stream, don't perform this at home. Performed under expert supervision. Okay. You just start. I'll just copy this JSON manually and paste it for now. So, copy this JSON and paste it here. Okay. This becomes the OIDC. Not this, not this. Let's see now. So whatever the URL, it will just fetch. It's still saying, please. Oh, we didn't reload. It's a front end change, so we should reload. And now it doesn't matter whatever it is here. Still says the same. Please check OpenID. Oh, we are in the production side. This is the development side. What? Hi Sandeep, welcome to Struggle with Hussain. Please just struggle day. Okay. What did it do? It should have said this. Authorization endpoint, which is this. Come on. See, it's not working. FRM dot set value, FRM dot set value. It reaches here. See. Oh yeah, it's setting. We are not seeing this. So this set the authorization URL and not the token and the revocation URL. GWKs. And let's try and hit save. Provider name is Facebook. Client ID is the Facebook app ID that we have here. Copied, save. Token URI. Okay. Yeah, this I think is the one. Let's go to connected app again. Put in the token URL. Hmm. There's that scopes. What are the scopes available? User birthday, user gender. Claims supported. Oh, these are just okay. They have distributed each of this as, hey, Louis, long time. Where have you been, man? Hope everything is all right. Let's get their name and email. E Yamil. E Client secret is not needed, I guess. That is only for some kind of flow. Connect to Facebook. Let's see. Please check lowercase case or dignify. Okay. Name is not available. Fine. Isn't using a secure connection until Frappe CRM is secure, you won't be able to use Frappe. Okay. But it did pick our app that okay, it's Frappe CRM. Fine, fine. Let's do one thing. So what I will probably have to do is somehow figure out server IP allow list. App requires using app secret must origin file. App settings can only IP address. This that. This. It's open host. Okay, settings basic. Enter localhost for your site domain. Change your site URL to the localhost version. Okay. Let's do the same. What the Stack Overflow guy is suggesting. Let's see. And CRM not localhost. Save. Try again. Redirect worked though. The redirect worked. One thing at a time. So we'll wrap up at 4:30. We'll have to. And what I will do is behind the scenes, I will try to make sense out of the whole API access stuff and the meta side of things or the LinkedIn side of things. And we'll have another episode where we'll do the actual building. It worked without port, so that is fine. We do have app secret and app ID. Oh, app secret is also here. Test users. The ability to create test users is disabled temporarily. It says in the toast below. Leads retrieval page. Ability to temporarily. Why is that? Yeah, I will need some setup of some sorts. Hmm. Okay, that I will do off screen. I'll figure it out. But in the meantime, I will just go to localhost 8080 and see how the UI should work actually. So there is a settings dialog that pops up here. Okay, settings. And there is this integration section. Probably will have one called Facebook here, and then you can click and see a section on lead syncing. Okay. And oh, my God, it's on password. Fine. And then once they say okay, verify, it will go and check okay whether this thing, like whether this user has any forms, and then it will just fetch them here. Okay, let me figure it out off screen because I can't make sense any of it right now. Hmm. Okay, so I will start reading here after the live stream because I think that is where I will find the information, the missing links, right? I jumped into a lot of information, but I'm not able to form links between them. Yeah, before we end, I think we should end. I will show you the progress on the events app that we have been building. So this worked, right? Which was not working earlier. So if you go to publish changes and see the dynamic iframe comes through. And this is also dynamic now. What else did I do? Yeah, I was working on this listing page where now this all is dynamic. Okay, I created one more test event. There's also dynamic, and there is this icon SVG that is also pulled from the backend. And soon this past events will also be dynamic. Yeah, that's the progress on the events app. We'll do more tomorrow evening. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today. We were not able to get to coding, right? So that shows something about, okay, you can't always just jump and like, okay, code. This requires some proper reading of the docs. Let's see what ChatGPT says. I want to, okay, I'll speak. I want to build a lead syncing integration in my CRM system from Facebook. Make a detailed plan of how do I go about building it, in terms of what APIs to access and any relevant docs from Meta. How do I do testing of it? So I want to show a page where the user can click on logging with Facebook, then it brings them back to my app, and then it shows them the pages which they are running ads on, and they can then configure the lead syncing. Okay, let's see. For user authentication, marketing API for accessing ad accounts and lead account, webhooks API for real-time lead notification. Okay. Facebook login for business, marketing API, webhook for lead ads. Okay. Facebook app configure. Create a Facebook app, add these products. Okay. Facebook login we added. Marketing API, webhooks, required permissions. Yeah. Yeah, it has given some sample application. I will also try that. The first and foremost is getting the setup to be done. And I will create some test users and whatnot. Figure it out. Let's see. Okay. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.